We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it up.
Hey guys, so today's video is a little bit different. Today's video is going to be about hair. I'm going to do a little quick weave. Obviously it's not this. I kind of forgot to do the intro and outro, so I don't ignore this noise. It's going to be beeping and I can't do nothing about it. My face looks a little bit ugly in the video, but look, this is how I can look like, so don't mind me.
There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks is on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. He said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is a tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
Stars, me and money more, running that coupe, yeah, the queen pushed up. Pressure, I'm blessed, that's why I'm the Drew gun. Mama ain't stressing, I'm still going hard. Got me 2 best and 2 more best ones, that's my whole net worth a check on that green and black card. Niggas invest, but I keep niggas stress, you get.
Keep my friends on my mind, I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time, and they 10. That's why I got 10 on my mind, I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind, and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind, so repent. I need me some Jesus in my life, amen. But I love me a addiction. I'm a dick, this shit my little secret. Tryna teach me to blow up, I keep it. I can't respond with this new people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit in deep. But I did get my shuffle on being I was broke, had to fix it. I stuck in the water, you swim with the look it. I hit this day by tomorrow, she can sit. I grab her neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bad and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' jam when I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit out the hit, I'm just chillin'. But I send the hit while I chill with my children. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a swag and I called up, they call for my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, lost back from the bottom. I woke up the fall point. Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now that outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merging. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who's on you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off a version. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen.
Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth.
Spider, sex. Yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for a show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches running around this bitch, named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah, yeah. I told her stab my niche. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I wasn't even trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Before she can talk to the, yeah. Let talk, I just pulled up in some fools. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozy. 20 matches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you work on my show, you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like Latusi. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Ghana. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas. Yeah. I got in my world, need somebody.
So after the takedown, all I had to do is honestly just put conditioner and oil where the tracks are, and then it was literally just like coming off. And to remove the cap, girl, I got scared. I literally thought I was gonna be stuck with it, but honestly all I had to do was literally just put water, like a warm water, on the cap and it came off. And then you just wash your hair, condition it, and put the treatment as usual. But yeah, your girl might become a hair influencer, you know, like I'm always wearing different hairstyles, so might as well. But like, look at this. Okay, don't mind the lace. Like, this wig is actually old, but it's not bad. It's not bad. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope to help and see you guys next time. Bye.